Welcome to the Epic Road Trip series. We spent time backpacking and adventuring in Grand Tetons, seeing some wildlife. And here we have part 2, starting out from String Lake and heading on into the canyon. About a 5.5 mile trek, about a 2,000 foot elevation gain, starting into this beautiful dense forest. We came across the creek connection between a string of lakes, Lay Lake, String Lake, and Cheney Lake. Ascending around the bend and on into the canyon and the forest.
Yeah, I mean, let's just play it by ear. I'm not trying to plan it out.
We came across this beautiful cascading waterfall area.
Don't tell your friends, let them know we're safe later on.
It is hard to get over the beauty and the pleasantness of this trail in general. All the bridges, clear areas. Climbing up this canyon, there were so many cascading waterfalls. It's really hard to describe or hard to convey on this, like how it was just an ever-present thing going in this. Finally we set up camp and we had a deer just like come right into our campsite. Went to set up food and we saw this moose. Kind of spooked us a little bit. Another cascading waterfall.
It's my first time doing this little vlog type thing. We've already seen a moose and a freaking deer come through our camp. Eyes are on a swivel for bears, so. Oh, look at this.
That moose came down to this meadow and decided to make this his home for the evening. He was our neighbor. He chilled. Our little campsite. The outlier camp on Paintbrush Canyon. Moose still chilling. He'd get up, graze, and then come back to that spot. This is the next morning. Kind of going down to the campsite from the food area. Really was a pleasant campsite, to be honest with you. This little guy finding a worm. And then hiking back down. Five and a half mile hike down. This was the first leg of a 3-portion trip, 4 days in Grand Tetons. And we had 4 days coming up in Yellowstone. So coming down this after being alert from bears in this country. Beautiful country. But we had all kinds of animals encounter us and we were very alert for bears. after this, we hit the car and drove to Du Bois, Wyoming, where we had a cabin stay with a good see you on the next one.